guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Janey. If you are new, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow your girl on all social media. So today we are going to be making Christmas cookies. So I found like this 20-minute recipe on Pinterest, so I was like, I might as well check it out. Let's see how it comes out. I'm not a sweets person anyways, so I'm still not gonna like these cookies, but let's see what happens. So for this recipe, you are going to need a whole wheat pastry flour, some sugar. I wish I could have gotten brown sugar or coconut sugar, but they were out. Sprinkles and funfetti for the topping that you're gonna do on whichever types of your cookies. 1 egg, 1 stick of butter, some pure vanilla extract, not the imitation, there's a difference, baking powder, and then whipping cream, or it can be heavy cream. And then we have all of our little cookie cutters. We have a snowflake, we have an angel, we have a bunch of stuff. So let's get into it. So the first thing that you are going to do is sift 1.5 cups of flour into a bowl before getting your salt. Okay, after your 1.5 cups of flour, you're gonna put in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, along with 3/4 teaspoons baking powder. That's 1, 2, and 3. And then you're gonna whisk all of it together. So now that you have your dry ingredients mixed, it's time for us to do our wet ingredients. So for your wet ingredients, we are going to be using our butter, which is a 1/2 cup of butter. Mixed with a 1/3 cup of sugar. Don't worry if you get less, it's better less than more. So we're going to add our 1/3 cup of sugar. And you can add this to one of those bowls that's already attached to a mixer, or you can have a hand mixer like I do. Alright, so you beat in the butter and the sugar a bit, and then you add your egg. And then I like to add my vanilla, about a teaspoon. And instead of using the mixer, I just like to use a regular spoon just to mix it in. So now we are going to combine the dry mixture with the wet mixture. So I didn't realize that I forgot to add my whipping cream to this wet mixture, but I'm gonna incorporate it after it's already mixed into the dries. And then after I mix it for a bit, I still come back and add the heavy cream. Okay. 4. Great. Okay, so I put some flour on my board along with my rolling pin. And now let's get a chunk and get ready. We're gonna start with the snowflake. And then we're gonna pull the pieces from the side of it. And just to give this one more room. And let's go. We're gonna put our snowflake right here on top of our board. Now next with it, think we're gonna do an angel. Just gotta make sure this is big and wide enough for the angel. So now here we go. Angel to the middle. Okay. Let's move and put our angel in the middle. Oh no. I think I just broke off some of my angel's arm. Not the most attractive angel ever, but I think I got the job done. Okay, so we have 2 trays of cookies. I had to stuff both of the trays, but you're gonna have your oven on 400. And then you are going to put it in for 5 to 7 minutes. After that, we are gonna wait for our cookies to cool and then come back and decorate them. Okay, so we are going to start decorating some of our cookies. Now we're gonna add some sprinkles to Santa. Maybe we'll do some white sprinkles to the snowflake. Oh, a bit too much. Didn't expect it to be that much. And then for our star, I think I'll go red. So guys, our cookies are done and they smell amazing. And they're soft. They're extremely soft. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on all social media, and I'll see you guys in my next one.